Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Bolt app. So first of all, go ahead to the Bolt and log in with your account and add your phone number in the payment method. And after you added the payment method, or even if you skipped the payment method, you're going to be able to see the main interface of the app, right? So if you want to set your payment method, just go ahead and click the three balls at the top left, and then just go ahead to the payment, and then you're going to be able to select the payment method to for your ride. Okay, so basically Bolt app allows you to get a cab for fast and affordable prices, right? So basically what you're gonna do, you can see right here the available cars near you, right? You can request a ride right here and just select your destination by swiping up right here to see where is your destination. If you are going to the airport or going to a restaurant, store, or park, whatever it might be, you're gonna be able to select your location. Let's say for example that location, and then after you confirm that location, you're gonna see the Bolt price. And then if you want to go to the parking lot or Milenzane gate, Milenzane gate, or if you want to go to the gate no 2. All right, and then after you confirm your destination, you're gonna be able to request a ride. Okay, and the driver will arrive in minutes, and you will get a notification that okay, that driver came in. And now after you confirmed your destination, you're gonna select the payment method, of course, in the Bolt person that, or the Bolt car, or the car that will come to your place in order to take you from point A to point B. All right, and then basically you can enjoy your ride or enjoy the ride to your destination, and then you can rate the driver after you get to your destination. And if you want to add a tip, you can do that as well. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you.